everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. So I'm back with another fabbag unboxing. If you don't know what fabbag is, then it's Indian monthly subscription box which contains beauty, skincare and makeup related products. So you would receive such full size or sample size product every month at your doorstep. So if you are interested in knowing what's inside August fabbag, then please keep on watching. So this is how you receive your fabbag. It's written fabbag all over the box, and once you open it, the first thing you see is bright orange color pouch, which actually can be used as a clutch also. Like, see the pattern, it's very beautiful and very bright orangey color. I really don't have anything like in this color, so I'm really happy to receive orange fabbag this month. And you can, as I just said, you can use this as a clutch also. So yeah, this is what the fabbag looks like this month. Once you open it, the first thing I see here are these two cards. The first one contains all the details of all the product, just like every other month. So this contains all the details of all the product I have received this month, and the theme of this month is the Triumph August fabbag, and the color of this bag clearly justifies the theme, which is bright color. Now the other card which I received is about their ongoing contest, which says in my fabbag. Now you can stand a chance to win a blush and a non-transfer eyeliner tan. All you have to do is just you have to post a picture with your fabbag and you are all participated just like that. So yeah, that's the contest going on right now, and I think it goes on every month simply. So yeah, let's start with the products now. Okay, so the first product I see here is Mom's Therapy Coffee Body Scrub. It says 50 grams, and in here it says yes, it's 50 gram and it's a full size product. Now this one retails for 325 rupees. I was really looking for a body scrub, and I'm so glad that this month we have this in a fabbag, and this smells so much chocolatey and coffee. I don't know why it smells chocolatey, but it definitely has coffee in it, and this is how it looks. Can't wait to try this on because I really was looking for a body scrub. Now the next product I see here is Color FX New York Perfect Stain Nail Paint, and it's in bright pink color and it's in the shade 133. So it says is non-toxic nail color, unique U-shaped brush and non-yellowing US formula. So yeah, and it's in the shade 133 as I just mentioned, and this nail paint retails for it's a full size product and retails for 199 rupees. So this is the next product I received in this month's bag. Now this month was very exciting for me because we had 3 options to choose from, and that was Disguise Cosmetic Multi-Stick, and we had option to choose from their different shades. They had like 4 different shades, and I went for Gold Daydream. So let's open this and see how it looks like. Yeah, so this is the multi-stick, and it's called multi-stick because this can be used as an eyeshadow, as your highlighter, and you can also use this as a lipstick topper. So I went for Gold Daydream color because I saw some swatches on the YouTube and I thought this one is going to be the perfect shade for me. So I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. I am not sure if the camera is going to pick up the shade properly. No, it's not, because I'm using filter here, that's why. So that's the shade, and I'm really looking forward to use as an eyeshadow especially, and an highlighter also. So yeah, this one retails for 600 rupees, and yeah, I like the packaging a lot. It's quite handy, and this brand is actually no parabens, no lead, and it's cruelty free and 100% vegan, so that's a yay for me. So yeah, that's the next product we have in this month. Now the second last product I have here is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Antioxidant Firming Lotion. We also had option to choose from Palmer's Body Lotion and coconut oil body lotion and the firming lotion. I never really had heard of this firming lotion and how that works on skin, so that's why I chose this one and not the body lotion. So yeah, Palmer's is also a great brand, and this is definitely a sample size product. It's around 11 ml and it retails for 50 rupees. So yeah, that's the next product, and we'll definitely share the reviews on Instagram or something very soon. So the last but not the least and the star product for me in this month's fabbag is Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit Metallic Eyeshadow in the shades Cells and Whistle. So we also had option to choose this, like we had to choose from Brick New York Ultimate Matte Liquid Lipstick, then we had Disguise Cosmetics Featherlight Matte Liquid Lip Cream, and then we had Nail Flip Lipstick Powder Matte, and last we had Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit. And we also had options to choose, like we had shades to choose from, and I went for Cells and Whistles again from the YouTube swatches, and I thought this has to be the perfect shade, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. And I can't tell you how much excited I am to receive this, because I was really wanted to try out liquid eyeshadow, and this one specially is metallic. So yeah, this is the shade. Can you see? It's very glossy. I'm so sorry that I'm using filter, but it's not exactly what it looks on camera. It's very champagne rose gold color, and I really can't wait to put that on my eyelids and flaunt the look. So that was the last product. So this month we have like 4 full-size product and 1 sample size, which is gonna last you around, I would say, 7 to 8 uses max. So yeah, that's that. And if you have any queries and if you're not really getting the idea of fabric, then please check my description box out. I will mention everything and all the links to buy from in the description box below. So yeah, don't forget to check my description box out, and you can also comment down below which one was your favorite. And please go for this month's bag, because if you're eyeshadow lover and especially the liquid eyeshadow, then go for this month's bag, because you will get the Wet n Wild Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow and the Disguise Cosmetics Eyeshadow Stick. So yeah, I really would recommend you to go for this month's bag or any future bags, because I'm sure fabric is never gonna disappoint you. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video and share this with your friends and family, especially a makeup or a beauty skincare junkie, if you wanna introduce them to fabbag. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.